Hello, welcome to OnPrintShop. Today, we will see about the new feature enhanced in version 7.2. User group-wise shipping method and flat shipping method. In all the shipping methods, we have provided user group option. For example, if we go in weight-based shipping method, action, edit, we can see user group option here. With this feature, only those customer who are assigned in the selected user group can see the shipping method. In this manner, we can restrict visibility of the shipping method for the rest of customer who are not added in the selected user groups. Next, we have flat shipping method. In this new shipping method, when we active the status, go to action and edit. Here, to create a custom shipping method that offers flat shipping as well as free shipping, we have added a new shipping method named FlatShipping. By using a combination of flat shipping method and user groups, you can easily offer free shipping to your customers. This method is useful in situations where you deliver manually to your local customers or they come to your brick-and-mortar location to pick up their order and therefore don't need to pay for shipping. Flat shipping can be applied based on state. Select the states from the drop-down, and zip codes, enter comma-separated zip code values to offer flat shipping. Admin can easily duplicate the flat shipping method in n number of times and can create permutation and combination to offer different flat shipping rates according to their need. Thank you for watching this video. For any further queries, feel free to reach us on live chat or via email.